tell you how you can view the email side by side and respond to them without leaving the inbox. Go to Settings. Select the right of inbox. Here you can see the inbox and email side by side. Did you know that you don't have to write the same email multiple times or copy-paste them? You can create templates on Gmail. Let me show you how. Go to Settings. Click on See All Settings. Then Advance. Enable the templates. Click on Save Changes. Now write a draft for an email. Go to More Options. Click on Save Draft as Template. Then Save as New Template. Hit the Save button. Now go to Compose. Go to More Options. Select the template you want. And there you go. You can save multiple templates like this. Save yourself from the hassle of sending emails on time. You can also schedule your emails. Let me show you how. Compose your email as usual. Instead of clicking on the Send button, look for the small arrow next to it. Click on Schedule Send. Pick date and time. Click on Schedule Send. And it's done. Let me tell you how to use Gmail Stars. For better email organization, go to General Settings. Scroll down to Stars. You can drag and drop the stars or other symbols you want. Don't forget to click on Save Changes. Now you can organize your emails better.